Well, hey you guys, what's more fun than sitting at home? We are here in Anaheim at Joe's Italian Ice, and this is a really popular place here. As you can see, the line goes literally around the corner, all the way into the street over here. Yep. And there's little to no parking in here. So this place has been here for a very long time. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly how long it's been here. It's been here at least 30-40 years. So being Italian, I love to find the best Italian ice places to go to. And this is one of my absolute favorites. Whenever we come to Disneyland, we always try to get here. We actually have not been here in a very long time, but they have the best Italian ice flavors, the most authentic to Italy. The way I grew up on Italian ice, this place is absolutely fantastic. It is so classic, so delicious, the best Italian ice. They have so many different flavors. They have flavors of the day. Let me see. Flavor of the day is cookie butter. So I'm going to tell you, I like lemon ice. That's one of my favorites. And then I grew up in chocolate chip. I love that. I grew up in the San Fernando Valley of California, and we used to have a really awesome place there where they used to make their own Italian ices, and it was just like this place. And this is so cool because it's all fruit and it's fat-free. Yeah, there's calories, but it is fat-free. So I think that's why it's so popular. So today was an 80-degree day here in Southern California. After all the rain we've had, after a cold winter, it was like 50-60 degrees here last week, and it's going to rain again this weekend. We're having more rain, but after an first 80-degree day in months. And this is what we get. So we just left Disneyland, and now we're standing in more lines here with all of these people that have come also to enjoy the Glisse Italiano. So just wanted to share this awesome place with you guys, and I will share some photos and do a little short when we get ours, and show you what it looks like. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you soon.